At Columbus Technical College, we believe in setting our students up for success, especially in the ever-growing world of online education. That's why we've launched the Student Online Success, or SOS initiative, your life preserver in the online learning journey.
Hello, I'm David Kuipers, the Vice President for Academic Affairs at Columbus Technical College. I'm excited to be a part of the Student Online Success Initiative because the mission at Columbus Technical College is to provide our regional workforce with highly trained, highly skilled employees, and student success is always the most important piece of that. This initiative is going to help our students succeed in a variety of courses, and it's going to be exciting to watch the difference that this makes for our students and then down the road for our employers.
Hello, I'm Carol Fuller, Chair of our QEP Planning Committee. Our committee used data and surveys during our strategic planning process to select our Quality Enhancement Plan topic, Student Online Success, or SOS. Our topic aligns with our strategic planning goals to prepare students for success and to increase enrollment in distance education. Our QEP committee membership represents every area of the college. Feedback from students and data compiled by our institutional effectiveness team are used to guide our QEP through a process of continual improvement. The goal of this 5-year project is to decrease the gap between student success on campus and online. The SOS training developed for our QEP orients students to the unique skills necessary in the web environment, such as study habits and time management strategies. Students not only learn how to be successful online, but they report an increase in their self-confidence with the virtual learning environment after completing SOS. We care about every student here at Columbus Tech, and we have a plan to help them succeed in their coursework, regardless of their preferred mode for learning.
SOS is introduced during academic advisement and new student orientation. It's our way of ensuring that every student has the tools and knowledge they need to thrive in an online environment. Students are encouraged to complete the SOS training course before enrolling in their first online class. This course is designed to prepare you to be productive and successful in your studies.
Before I took the SOS program, I had terrible studying habits. I used to read the full lecture, then go back and make my notes, and then after that, I would either take the test or study again. I used to always feel burnt out, and before I knew it, I couldn't focus on the work in front of me. So I went and took the SOS program. Taking the SOS program, I started looking at different study habits and different study methods, and I was able to build one that allowed me to be more productive during the day and do my assignments on time. After finishing, I was able to come out not only as a better student, but I would feel happy about the work I was doing, and I enjoyed doing my classwork. I would just log in and I would look at the work, and it's like, I could save this for Tuesday, right? And then next thing I know, I'm procrastinating and it's Thursday, and I'm like, oh great, I gotta do everything. But after learning with the SOS, I actually made a schedule to manage my time, and I would put the assignments on a calendar, and I would put an estimated time frame of how long I want to work in the day, so that way I wouldn't get burned out, to say, and I would still get my work done. So normally I'd finish all my work before Thursday, and I could have the rest of the week to relax.
Balancing high school equivalency and the Career Plus program coursework was very challenging, but the SOS program gave me the skills to succeed in both.
Going back to school in my mid-30s as a single parent was a little intimidating. However, SOS provided me with a lot of time management training, which helped me schedule out my days and my classwork, as well as it provided me with a lot of technical resources.
One gap identified while planning for Columbus Tech's QEP implementation was the need for a professional development program to provide a framework for quality teaching and course design. Our goal was to help faculty address some of the factors identified in the student surveys by creating a positive, responsive learning environment designed to help online students thrive. The training provided to our QEP instructors focused on course design and best practices for teaching that encourage engagement and motivation. The training helped faculty to align instruction, activities, and assessments with course objectives, measure attainment of those objectives, and provide the structure and guidance students need to seamlessly navigate and be successful in their online courses.
Being a faculty member at Columbus Tech, I think it's important that our students are provided with tips and resources in order to be successful. When teaching my classes online, as well as face-to-face, I inform them of the SOS so that they can be successful when taking their current classes as well as classes in the future.
With SOS, we aim to make online learning accessible and effective for all our students. Whether you're a traditional student, dual enrollment participant, or a former adult education student, SOS is here to help you succeed. Remember, at Columbus Technical College, your success is our priority. Dive into online learning with confidence. Let SOS be your guide.